Wow, guys, here are lots of amazing dirty vehicles and toys. This is my collecting bucket. So let's start to collect these toys and vehicles. First of all, guys, look at this. A big toy is like a water gun. Put it here. Next, two amazing big vehicles. Put it here. Another big vehicles like a monster car. Put it down. And last, my friend, look at this. What is this, my friend? This is like marks. Put it here. Another big vehicles like double-decker bus. Put it down. And last two big vehicles put in the bucket. Wow, friends, amazing fresh water. First of all, my friend, look at this. A big toy is like marks. Okay, after watch these marks. Wow, my friend, just look at this. Amazing green, white and black color combination. Super duper premium quality Hulk marks. Put it down. Another big vehicles like a water tank. After watch this tank. Wow, my friend, look at this. Amazing white and orange color combination. Super duper premium quality water tank toys. Put it down. Another big toys like a water gun. Okay, after watch this gun. Wow, my friend, look at this amazing green and purple color combination. Super duper premium quality water gun toys. Put it down. Another big vehicles. After watch these vehicles. Wow, my friend, look at this. A super duper premium quality double decker bus vehicles. Put it down. Another big vehicles like a fire control car. Okay, after watch these vehicles. Wow, my friend, just look at this amazing red and white color combination. Super duper premium quality fire control vehicles. Put it down. Another fire control vehicles. After watch these vehicles. Wow, my friend, look at this amazing white and red color combination. Super duper premium quality and other fire control vehicles. Put it down. Another big vehicles. After watch these vehicles. Wow, my friends, look at this. What is this, my friend? Amazing yellow and black color combination. Super duper premium quality monster car vehicles. Put it down. And last, my friend, like a school bus. Okay, after watch this bus. Wow, my friend, look at this amazing yellow and white color combination. Super duper premium quality school bus vehicles. Put it down.